Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you can't bold a text element in Canva. Alright, so here is what you can do if you cannot bold text elements in Canva. So as you can see here, we have this money designed and I have created this text element, and if I select it I cannot bold the text or italicize as well. So this is because some font types just simply cannot be bolded using the Canva bold feature, text feature. So in this case you have two options. The first one is to, of course, go to the font section by selecting the font you have currently and select the font that is similar to the font you want to have, but what can be bolded. So for instance, this 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 one is pretty similar, and then you can use the bold feature. The second option you have, let me go back to the original one, so this is the original one that cannot be bolded, is to click on the effects option here, and you can apply text effects here. And as you can see, we can use some text effects that will basically bold the text the way we want to do it. So as you can see, we have this lift option, we have this shadow option here, and we can increase the transparency and remove the blur, add a little bit of offset, and now as you can see the text is way more bolder than without using this text effects. You can also use this outline if you want to do that and make it black. So as you can see, we have multiple options how you can bold text if the text element by default cannot be bolded. So now this is how you can fix if you can bold a text element in Canva. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.